right, we're here to pick up one of our cars. Just got the windows tinted on it. And I'm gonna show that to you right before we get to the training video. This is my friend's shop. I've known his father for years. Before him, they were in the auto accessory business. This is the one we selected. I think it was 30-some%, which is weird with the tint, the higher, if you didn't know that. Then explain this to me again.
All right, so this is
Mo, by the way.
Hey, my name is Mo. I'm with Tint Studio, owner, founder. So this right here is a heat box. I use this as a demonstration to show people that tint is not necessarily, what was I gonna say? My bad. And so I use this as kind of like a demonstration to show people the different levels,
the different levels on the tint.
Yeah. So this is the different levels of the tint. My apologies, this is the first time.
No problem. And this is something I didn't even know about this, and then when he showed this to me, then I knew the difference between the tint. It could be darker tint, and it still doesn't have as much protection as a lighter tint. So can you kind of demonstrate?
So there's a misconception with tint. A lot of people believe that the darker the film, the more heat gets rejected. If anything, that is not the case. Usually with tint, I have 3 levels of tint. So I got my black ceramic i3, and the ceramic i3 plus. The black is known just for color stability. The black ceramic is around 63%. Ceramic i3 is around 93, and the i3 plus is 99. This is actually the best film in the industry. So in this heat box, if you want to get a little closer as well, this is kind of like a nice little demonstration. This is right here is a heat sheet, and it shows how fast heat actually goes through.
You can just see it.
So you just see all that color going. As compared to my best film, which is the ceramic i3, there's no color change.
Yeah, that means that the heat isn't even getting through there.
Yep. Even my air ceramic.
And that's lighter.
Yeah, this right here is a 70% window tint, so it literally looks like it's non-existent, but still rejects a lot of heat. And this is just clear glass, no tint. You see all that heat going right through.
All right. Well, you ready to show me?
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right. Let's go see.
Here's your baby. Yep. This right here, we tinted the sides 35%, and we actually did a shave on the top edge and on the side, so it looks like a flawless install. Well, if you want, you can even see yourself. Actually, you can see that there's no gap on this. You know, so it literally looks like it's part of the glass. And we did a 70%. This is a clear tint, and with this you get all the infrared heat rejection benefits as well. So it's
protect.
Oh yeah.
Protect the inside
and yourself.
Yeah. Very nice. And for me, I didn't want it too dark. I just wanted the protection. That's what I wanted, was the protection on it.
Oh yeah, and 30% is still a really good look to it, so.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, appreciate it, Steve.
All right.
Yeah.